So my family, we all love fidgets. And so we always are getting new ones. And this is one that we got for Christmas. I love first that it comes in this cute little zip up bag, but these are magnetic. And they're also covered in like a silicone type material. So they're not loud. You can't hear them at all, actually. I don't know if you can. So you can't hear anything at all. And then they are magnetic. But if for some reason you were to drop them like on a classroom floor, they're not going to make any super loud noises. Oh, the other one's rolled away. And so it also comes with these as well, which can be suction cupped to, oh, my cat's making noise, can be suction cupped to a desk so that you can rub your finger on them while you're in a meeting or while you're listening to a lecture in class or while you're doing classwork. And I actually tried and was able to suction cup this to my laptop and have it sitting on my laptop. So definitely a cool little fidget. And it does come in a variety of colors. However, we got this one that's multicolored. My cat is currently playing with the two green balls, but yeah, it's really awesome. It's simple and easy for little hands to use as well as bigger hands. And I like that they're magnetic and that they're covered. So if they fall on the ground at school, they don't make a ton of sound. So if you're in the market, definitely check it out.